Good day, everyone. My name is Carla Angelo Resologo from BSIT 2B, and this is my midterm laboratory exam presentation. For topics covered, we have introduction to C++ programming, conditional statements in C++, and looping statements in C++. For the contents, we have source codes. This is the screenshot of our codes. Outputs of my codes and recorded video. For source code, num1 equals to 100, num2 equals to 10, number equals to 88, num3 equals to 56, num4 is equal to 65, num5 is equal to 60, and year equals to 2024. For the codes, we have the string, choice, and character choice 2. Do, cout, choices, A, calculator, B, odd or even, C, highest and lowest number, D, leap year. Cout, enter your choice. Cin, choice. If choice equals A or choice equals A capital, double num1 and num2, cout calculator, cout, enter the first number, cin num1. Cout, enter the second number, cin num2. Double sum equals num1 plus num2. Double difference equals num1 minus num2, sorry. Double product equals num1 multiplied to num2. Float quotient to num1 divide by num2. Cout, the sum of num1 and num2 is sum. Cout, the difference of num1 and num2 is difference. Cout, the product of num1 and num2 is product. Cout, the quotient of num1 and num2 is quotient. Else if, this is the choice B or choice capital B, int number, cout, odd or even, cout, enter a number, cin number. If number 2 equals 0, cout number is an even number, or else cout number is an odd number. For the choice 3, else if choice equals C or choice equals capital C, int num3, num4, and num5. Cout, highest and lowest. Cout, enter first number, cin num3. Cout, enter second number, cin num4. Cout, enter third number, cin num5. Int highest equals num3. If num4 is greater than highest, highest equals num4. If num5 is greater than highest, highest equals num5. Int lowest equals num3. If num4 is less than lowest, lowest equals num4. If num5 is less than lowest, lowest equals num5. C out, highest is the highest number. C out, lowest is the lowest number. Else if choice equals D or choice capital D, int year, C out, leap year, C out, enter a year, C in year. If year 4 equals 0 and year 100 not equal 0, year 400 equals 0, C out year is a leap year. Else, year is not a leap year. For the output, choices, A, calculator, enter first number. Our first number is 100 and second number is 10. The sum of 100 is 10 and 10 is 100. The difference of 110 is 90. The product of 110 is 90. Sorry, the product of 110 is 1000. The quotient of 110 is 10. Do you want to run the program again? Yes. For the output number 2, choice B. From our source code, number 88, enter a number 88. 88 is an even number. Do you want to run the program again? Yes. For the output number 3, choice C. From our source code, number 3, num3 is 56, num4 is 65, num5 is 60. 56, 65, and 60. 65 is the highest number and 56 is the lowest number. For the output number 4 or letter D, the leap year, yes, enter D. From our source code, year is equal to 2024. 2024 is a leap year. Do you want the program again? When we input N for no, the program will stop. Code execution successful. And this is my presentation for my midterm laboratory exam.